Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Super Bowl Sunday 2025, and I just wanted to show you that my stone fruit trees are blossoming. Yes, they are. And y'all know I was supposed to get these things pruned from what I was going to prune, and then also get that IV organics on top of them. And I can still do the IV organics. Oh, y'all, look how beautiful that is. I don't know if it's showing, but one is open and the one underneath is just starting to unfold. That is beautiful. And lots of new shoots and leaves. Y'all, I'm behind schedule. All the stuff that I'm supposed to be doing. I just can't get it done. And y'all, I'm finally gonna eat one of these real soon. Ladies and gentlemen, this tomato plant is just completely out of control. It is completely out of control. I have flowers all around everywhere. It is just continuing to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. Just want to give you a different angle. Y'all, look at this. And it amazes me. You know how small a tomato seed is? And it has taken over the entire mini raised bed. Look at that, y'all. Just in flowers everywhere. I'm pretty sure that this is a cherry tomato. I hope it is. I'm thinking like I hope it is, because oh my goodness. So much for pruning the leaves. Ladies and gentlemen, I have come out here on Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday morning, and I finally cleared out all of those onions, y'all. I had to get rid of them. The black aphids were all over them. This is the one onion plant I said that I was going to save to try to collect some seeds. This is the Miracle Leaf of Life, flowering and blooming, y'all. But you remember this whole area right here. Oh, I lost my shoe. Y'all remember this whole area? This is where I had all of those onions. I put all of that, I threw all of that stuff away. I took my buckets, I separated them and faced them down, because we're supposed to get a potential for some rain either today or into the week. And I don't want those buckets filling up with water. Yes, I need to clean everything out, but I just wanted to show y'all I finally had to get rid of those onions. It was time for them to go. Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen, on Super Bowl Sunday. I'm just recording like a whole bunch of 60-second YouTube shorts, but I think I might just put all of them together and make just like a quick clip. I wanted to show y'all. So this is the mini royal cherry tree that, of course, I was supposed to prune and do all of that kind of stuff, and then paint it with the IV Organics protective. And I was supposed to do that while the tree was still dormant and while the temperatures were quote unquote cool. And I came out here this morning, y'all, and look. Just like my stone fruit that I showed in a previous YouTube short or video clip, it's starting to blossom. Y'all, I have got to get out here and I got to get this work done. Oh my goodness. Time is flying by so fast. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's just take a look at some of these strawberries. Now, if you recall from my previous video, these were the extras, like the leftovers. The sequoia, y'all, just trash. The all-star June bearing, trash. Got a little bit of action and some growth with the quinotes. And really nothing with the white Carolina. And I was hopeful on these. I really want some of these. And then the Ozark Beauty, which was like totally trash. I have just a little bit of action going. And now for the main strawberries that I planted. Same 5 varieties. So for the All-Star, I got a little action in one. The white Carolina not looking good at all. Oh, just that one. The sequoias, oh my goodness, like completely trash. The Ozarks, I got a little bit of action going. And then the quinotes, they are doing the best in this area. So it's supposed to rain on and off. Today's Sunday. I think we have a small chance of rain, and then during this week. And I'm just hoping that these strawberries get what they need from the rain and just do a little better, y'all. I need them to do better. At first I was hoping to get 4 out of 10. Now if I could just get 2 out of 10 from each variety, I'm gonna work with that. I came out here this morning to just check on everything, and I'm looking at my elephant garlic, and the elephant garlic is looking really good, except, y'all, I seen just a handful of black aphids. They have made their way over here from where the onions were over there, and I need to come up with a solution, because the elephant garlic is not going to be ready at least until May, June, July time frame, and it's just February, y'all. So if you got any solutions on how to get rid of black aphids on elephant garlic, y'all, please let me know, because I am not trying to let these get destroyed like the onions did. And I ended up just pulling up all of the onions and just throwing everything away, the soil too, because I didn't want to take no chances. Y'all help me save my elephant garlic. Ladies and gentlemen, I am out here again taking a look at everything, and I hope this is focusing, y'all. I can't tell, but these tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes and the beefsteak tomatoes, if you can see over there, let me see if I can zoom in. I need to hurry up and pull this tomato plant up because it is starting to flower again, and I need this raised bed for whatever else I'm going to be planting for this spring and this summer. So for real, y'all, I'm going to harvest these tomatoes. I know I've been saying it, and I've been harvesting them, you know, like little bit by little bit, just as I need them. But I'm going to have to go ahead and harvest everything and then pull these plants up, these 2 plants, because like I said, they going back into production again. And I just, you know, I can't have it, y'all. I can't have it. My one little orange, I need to go ahead and pick that up too. Should I eat that? I think so. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's my experimental seeds or soil plants that I did a while back. I don't know, a month or 2 ago. Everything is growing and sprouting up real well since I took the plastic, the saran wrap off the top. Here's the saran wrap I had on there. And getting that sunlight and letting the soil dry out, everything is looking like it's looking. Of the things that did germinate. Now, of course, everything didn't germinate, but of the things that did germinate, they are looking really well. Y'all, and I had like 4 seeds left in a 2023 Bloomdale spinach. I think it was Bloomsdale. I can't remember, but I just threw them in Aunt Jerry's bed. We're going to see what happened. Aunt Jerry's raised bed. We're going to see what happens with that. But this stuff over here is looking pretty good. I still got to get it planted up, y'all. All right. And then here we are with the flowers that I sowed. The flower seeds I sowed. And I wasn't seeing nothing, y'all. I was wondering if the one hole that was pre-made in these containers was not enough drainage, because I am starting to see a little green growth on the top, and I was like, oh man, nothing has germinated. But I watched a video yesterday. Oh no, I was actually listening to a podcast, and they were saying sunflower seeds can take 2, 3, 4 or more weeks to germinate, y'all. And then look, I saw this little bitty thing. Hopefully you can see it. And this is one of the marigolds. Let me see if I'm looking right. This is a French double dwarf marigold. So I see a little something right here, and in one of these other ones, y'all, I saw something, but it's so small the camera probably not gonna pick it up. But I haven't given up on the flowers, y'all, not yet.